Morning students, welcome back once again chemistry practicals. So today start with your next second practicals to prepare the crystals of potassium. Okay, so under this practical they have the some requirements. That is the first, that is the potassium sulfate, here the quantity 2 grams, and aluminium sulfate, that is 8 gram, and diluted sulfuric acid, that is the 2 3 ml of ratio. Okay, so under these practicals what will that is the take 2 gram of potassium sulfate, that is in the first beaker, and adds a 20 ml of water to dissolve with a stirring, and if required have the warm up the solution, then to supply this uh, heat up of the solution. And second, another beaker will take, that is a 250 ml of beakers, and add the 8 gram of aluminum sulfate, then added the 20 ml of water, and that is adding with 1 ml of diluted sulfuric acid for the prevent of the hydrolysis, and then after the heat of the solutions to just 5 minutes, and to obtain the milkiness of the solution. Okay students, so I am going to run off this practical. I have a two salt, that is the aluminum sulfate and potassium sulfate. It is the write of the quantity, that is 2 gram of potassium sulfate and 8 gram of aluminum sulfate. So I have a two beaker, that is the already taken is a 20 ml of waters, and it is the prepared for the diluted sulfuric acids, and here the use of 1 ml of diluted sulfuric acid. So one by one I can that is I am going to one by one to dissolve the salt in beaker. So that is the firstly, that is the potassium sulfate, and second is the aluminum sulfate, that is dissolved in this solution. Okay, so that is a potassium sulfate, they have dissolved, and the requirements have the just warm up the solution because they can't be dissolved without heating. You can see that that is a in bottom of that is the present of salt. Okay, so I am just heat up of the solution ammonium sulfate because they can't dissolve without heating, to just warm up the solution and dissolve the content, a salt of this, just warm up the solution. So you can see that that is the almost dissolve your mixture in this solution. Okay, so next step, that is your, so second step, that is the dissolve of ammonium sulfate, and I am going to add the 2 ml of 1 ml of diluted sulfuric acid in this beaker. Okay, so continuously stir of the solutions and dissolve the salt of. So next second step, that is the after the adding of ammonium sulfate with your diluted sulfuric acid, just heat up or boil up the solution just 5 minutes, and then after this 5 minutes, that is the two mixture, that is your mix together. Okay, this is your boiled solution of aluminum sulfate, and this is your solution of potassium sulfates. Now these two mixture, that is your mixed together, and after they have the filtration by using of the filtration method. Okay, it is the mixture of these two solution, that is your filtrated by using of filtration method. You can see that through this method to remove the impurities of this solution. Okay, and similar same method proceed by the using of more salt, this liquid of solutions to filtrate, and then second next step is, that is a void of this mixture china dish, in the clear solution of these two mixtures in the china dish, and heat this solution is continuously till the point of crystallization, and stir with the continuously with the help of glass rod in the china dish. Okay, and just heat and boil up this mixture up to the crystallization point of, and you can check out the crystallization points by the using of glass rod, that is the obtain of the crust of crystals in the glass rod. You can easily identify that is the solution is your heat up to the crystallization point. This is the mixture of solution, that is clear solution that is boiled, and to remove this china dish over the flame of this burner, and this china dish to be that is over on the full of beakers for the formation of crystals. Okay, so students, you can see that that is a prepared crystal of potassium. Now I am going to separate these crystals and to remove the pure mother liquid from this solution, and dry up the crystals, okay, with the help of filter paper, and note down the color of crystal. That is, you can also see that that is colorless or white crystals, and the shape of this crystal that is like octahedral, and to weighing of this crystal, that is give the result how many yields of potassium to be prepared. Okay, so that is the first to drive this crystal. So students, you can see that that is the weight of yield of these crystals potassium, that is the 7.8 gram, and you can see that that is also the shape of like octahedral and white crystalline, colorless of this crystal. Okay, so this is the overall practicals about to prepare double salt of potassium, or that is also called as a fit curry. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day, students.